So once the reaction is finished, you're ready to load it into your agarose gel to perform gel electrophoresis. So we're doing 5 microliter loads, and like I said, you can just load your reaction directly into the gel. The gel will be set up for you when you enter the lab. So it's an agarose gel, and there are 8 wells. It's in TBE buffer in your gel apparatus here. So you can see the wells at the top, and there are 8 of them. There will be 4 of you on one gel, and then a ladder, and then 3 controls, so that even if your reaction doesn't work, you'll still have controls to analyze. So we're doing 5 microliter loads. So you set your P10 to 5 microliters, and then you pick up your tip, and you take 5 microliters of your PCR reaction. And then you want to steady yourself with your elbows. I like to use 2 hands so that I'm really steady. And you want to set the tip into the well, but you don't want to jab it into the well. The wells aren't super deep, so you want to just don't dispense your liquid right away. Just hold it in there and kind of feel around with your tip very gently to see if to make sure that your tip is in the well. And then you just gently dispense the liquid. And you only want to go down to the first stop. And you just pull it out, and then you can see your liquid in the well, because it's red. So then, let's put this back over here. So once everybody is loaded into the well, you're ready to just run. So you put the cover on, and you want to make sure black to black, red to red, and then it's sealed. Just make sure it's pushed down. And this is your power pack, which generates the power. You turn it on the side, and then you'll be given options here. So you want to set the voltage to 100. So you make sure that the yellow light is on V, and you just change the yellow light by pressing this button around. So you just make sure the yellow light's on V, and then you press the up arrow until you get to 100. Okay? And then you set the appropriate time. So you just flick the yellow light down to the clock, and you set the appropriate time. Once that is set, the voltage and the time, you can press the running man to start the reaction. And your time should tick down to 0, and you can also watch to make sure if there is a current being generated, there will be, I don't know if you can see it, but there will be bubbles generated at the anode, and that indicates that your current is running. So just make sure there's a few bubbles at the black end. Once the run is complete, you analyze your data using an imager, which will show you, hopefully, your amplified band of DNA, and that indicates that your PCR reaction worked. Good luck!